They call it murder.
Camp rock, camp with the thugs and camp but pound up in a van back. It's in a your handbag, your knapsack, it in a your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact.
Number 81, Craig Wright. Number 20, Joe Payne. Number 11, Jeff Kennard. And number 12, John York. Defending Division 7, 2024 NHL champion, Millington Cardinals. Here you go, Myers! They shouldn't talk about that many times. There we go, Myers! Number 21, Logan Myers in the end zone. Another touchdown. Extra point attempt by Lane Shaw. Get safe! Go! Hey, get back! Lane in!
Outside, chase! Turn it in. Good.
Slide!
Get there, Chase, get there!
Cut it back, Woody.
Dominate! Yeah! Way to go! Tackle outside! Go! Oh, yeah! Yeah! They move! Nothing. Pass! Wrap that! There you go! Hey, they gotta get sacked. You gotta follow the football rules. Run it!
Nice. Way to get down, Woody. Millington 20, Standish 0.
Good job, Colin. Let's go, Colin. Motion. That's good.
Holy high punt. Someone should have lost.
Back up, back up, back up. Back up. Hey, vertical, Pat! Gage! 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 Pass! He's short. Fire! 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 Fire!
Oh, never mind.
Whoa! 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 There we go. Touchdown. Come on, Diddy. Come on, Diddy. There we go, honey. There we go, honey.
The whole time my heart was in my chest. I'm like,
Backside. There it is, Chase. There it is, Chase. There it is, Chase. Way to shed the bleed. Screen. Nice. Huh? Holding. He should just hit it back down. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey, nice run, Drake.
Touchdown. Yep.
Logan Myers into the end zone for the Millington Cardinal touchdown.
Pass, pass, pass. Good hit.
I can barely even breathe, guys. Over here. Dude, last night I used.
coming right at you, Jeff.
Oh, sorry, ball. It's actually we're on the other side of the 50.
What's up, man? Everyone here, Chase. Yeah, Chase. You're good, you're good. Stop, it's 10. Good, go to the outside, touchdown. Field, the field.
Gary Woodward into the end zone for the Millington Cardinal touchdown.
Quick is up.
like, oh God.
Hudson Myers up the middle. In the end zone for the Millington Cardinal touchdown.
What did he say?
Alright, yes! He saved. Oh. Yes, keeper! Oh! Yeah!
Gentlemen, at this time, you have your 50-50 round ticket.
This low-key might be a kicker thing. Oh. God damn it! Red defense! Red! Wow. Kick return! Back up a step. Get there. Back up!
That's 6.
Hudson Myers, the Cardinal out there. Extra point attempt by Lane Scholes is good. 316. That brings us to the end of the ball game with the final score is Millington 53, Standish.
Did we have a good week of practice?
Hell yeah.
Listen. Everybody knows now we're for real. Okay? You ain't got to get upset with yourself. If you haven't, hey, you guys got to understand, if you haven't figured out that Coach Santino and I are LA crazy, then you're never be able to play for us. We're crazy. We're very intense dudes. Coach Gillum has to take his Xanax just to coach you. Okay? But that's how it is. That's right. We expect that out of you. It's okay. It's okay, man. So don't shake it off, dude. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay? Trust me. Had a lot of ass trees out here. We're good. All right? I'm proud of you guys. You guys have responded all week long. We asked you to do physical. What was the word tonight? Domination. Yes. And I tell you, when they want to talk smack all week long, for 2 weeks we had to listen to these kids online. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I got on him 3 weeks ago. We don't do that. That's bush league. You do your talking on the field. Talking on the field, man. There ain't nothing more demoralizing than when somebody's out there and they get in the victory formation with almost 3 minutes to take it a knee. Ain't nothing more demoralizing than that, guys. I'm telling you, man, it's good stuff. We got to keep getting better. Got to keep getting better, man. Keep getting better. We got better from week 1. On to week 2. We got homecoming next week. Okay, you got homecoming, man. Be smart. Don't be selfish on the weekends and do dumb shit. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. And your selfishness will hurt the team. We're coming together as a team right now, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you. Okay? Overall, it's a good game tonight. Where's Coach Sam's team? Come on over here. You guys just got it, 8.
Hey! 1, 2, 3!